Dear viewers of Madani Channel, the meaning of patience is to withhold. In terms of its technical meaning, not becoming restless due to difficulties in the hope of attaining success is called patience. And fine patience is for a person who is inflicted by difficulties. To not be recognized as such by others, this level can be attained by an abundance of worship and practice over a lengthy period of time. Sayyidina Imam Abu Hamid Muhammad bin Muhammad Ghazali Rahmatullahi Ta'ala alayhi states, being patient and forbearing during the initial stage of a difficulty is an extremely difficult task. Controlling the nerves upon the first impact of hardship is challenging. In such a moment, address your nerves in the following ways. O nerves, this difficulty has now befallen me. There is no way to escape it now. Allah Almighty has protected you from many greater difficulties, as difficulties come in many forms. Allah Almighty shall save you from this difficulty too. So, O nerves, hold firmly onto the rope of patience for a short period. You shall gain everlasting happiness and an abundance of reward in exchange for the patience. The reality is that a difficulty no longer remains a difficulty with patience and forbearance. Keep your heart busy in the remembrance of that thing which will help you gain reward from Allah Almighty. And remember the patience of the noble prophets of Allah Azza wa Jal and the saints of Islam. Imam Ghazali Rahmatullahi Ta'ala alayhi further adds, when you see that Allah Azza wa Jal is withholding the world from you or is increasing you in difficulties and hardships, then know that you hold a high honor and status in the court of Allah Azza wa Jal, and He is making you tread the path of His friends. No doubt you are under His mercy. Sallu ala al-Habib, sallallahu ta'ala ala Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wa sallam.